who liked to sing. He sang day and night through spring and summer, fall and winter. He wanted to be a pop star one day like Michael Jackson, but his voice was not really beautiful enough. However, he did not give up singing.
I will sing even if my voice is not beautiful, because I want to make my life colorful and wonderful. God.
Unfortunately, there was a nightingale who was the best at singing among the birds. He also had a habit of looking down on others.
I have the most beautiful voice in the world. Everyone who listens to my voice will fall in love with my voice. What kind of voice is that? Frogs croaking? Birds come listen to this bird's voice.
Your voice sucks, Crow. Stop singing. My ears are bleeding. Don't teach me now. All I can it's so bad.
The birds kept on judging the crow with offensive sentences. The crow felt so offended and decided to give up his dreams, although he knew that he was inevitable to face challenges and difficulties. Fortunately, the king of birds, the wise and intelligent owl, heard about this incident and approached the nightingale.
Nightingale does not tease or laugh at other people. But I'm telling the truth, the crow's voice sucks. Thanks. So disgusting. But it's rude to tease or laugh at other people. I don't care. You'll get what you deserve. Fine.
The next few days, the nightingale kept on teasing the crow until one day...
Stop.
God. 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 God.
From now on, I will give your voice back at night. Therefore, you're called Nightingale.
The moral of this story is to be kind and do not judge others about their weaknesses, because you will meet the same situation in the future. The end.